everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on my period, TMI, probably, who cares, but what a great excuse to indulge in American candy, because that's what I'm about to do. So I got this box from Iven Alger. I'm so sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong. I feel like that is what it is. So what they are is an American candy store. I'm gonna put this down, hurt my arm. So yeah, so they are a family run business based in Manchester. They started the candy business in 2020 when the pandemic happened. This was gifted to me. So they're not like a subscription box or anything like that. It's basically just a one-off purchase. But what they do like mystery boxes. They can also buy like vegan sweets and bonbons and just other, it's not just mystery. They also offer the buy now pay later, which I don't know about you, but I use that quite a bit because, you know, broke times out here. With both Klarna and lay-by. Now I don't know about you, but I don't really go for American sweets. To be honest, I'm not really a sweets person. I'm more of a crisp. I'm more savoury. No, I'm not. I'm lying. I do like a chocolate. Do you know what? I'm just lying. Don't even listen to me because I'll just eat anything. But I never go for American. I don't know why. I don't know about you. It's so heavy. I don't know if you can hear. I probably shouldn't shake it. It's too late now. What are they going to do? What are they going to do? So if you'd like to see what I got from Iven Alger, then please carry on watching. Now I actually have no idea what they have given me. I didn't get to pick this, so we're both about to find out today. Shouldn't have shook it. I should have shook it because there's a can in here. This makes sense to why it was so heavy. There is a lot of stuff in it. Baby, look at all the stuff we got. What is this? I like Pringles. But I've never had a Pop-Tart before.
You've never had a Pop-Tart?
I have never had a Pop-Tart.
That's a fly kick you.
Would you like to sit there while I do it so you can try the sweets?
Yeah, why not?
Anyway, so, as I got distracted. So this is kind of what you can see, but there is also a bag of like their bonbon mix that you get as well. But I keep pulling more stuff out. I'll pull out the stuff that I can't eat right now, like a Pop-Tart. This is a frosted chocolate cupcake. I have never had a Pop-Tart before, ever. And you get 8. I just never understood them. It's like, is it like a cake and you have it for breakfast?
I'll go make them.
No, I don't want to make one now. What's it open first? This. Okay, so Warheads. Oh my god, if you remember from my other video, I'll put it up here where I did it. Warheads are sour. Sour. These are chewy cubes. I love how, I think maybe apart from one thing or two, I haven't had any of this before, like in my other mystery box thing that I got. Okay, so this is Warheads chewy cubes. You get 6 assorted flavors. Mildly sour, wildly sweet. Oh! Okay. Would you like the purple one? Do you want to take it together? I'm having a red one. They're so the cubes are stuck together! I don't know what flavour it's from them. I'm not mad though.
My flavour's purple.
That'll probably be great. They're here, but there's green apple, strawberry, black cherry, I think watermelon, orange, or blue raspberry.
Mine didn't taste like any of that.
Not even mine, to be fair. That was orange. Orange, can confirm, tastes like orange. Sticky. No, there's more to eat. You can finish them later. I'm putting them on this side. Child. Sour punch, pineapple, mango, chili. Pineapple, mango, chili straws.
Give me the chili. Give me the chili.
Sour sweet with a little heat. A sour punch? What the hell is that? If you're going to be annoying, and you're not getting...
I'll cough. What do you want from me?
Not to cough. Okay. Ugh, everything's so sticky.
Is that cherry?
They're all the same flavour. They're all the same flavour. It's all together. So it's basically pineapple, mango, and chili. Alright, ready? Look.
What the fuck?
I wouldn't say it's hot. Mine's not hot. I mean, there's a little bit of a like kick at the back of my tongue. I'm not mad. Like, so far I'm not hating anything, but I don't understand. Okay, on to the next. Let's do a little bit of nerds because there's only a little packet. Strawberry. Nerd candy kind of just reminds me of Millions. Give me your hand. Give me. Don't be a little lazy.
No.
That was your own fault. Babe, put your hand out properly. Why is it at an angle?
Because I'm laid on the floor. What do you want?
I didn't think this through. I should just put mine straight in my gob. No, I didn't think it through because of my lipstick. No, I'm confused. I'm gonna lick it. What's a Million? Well, Millions are a lot more chewy actually. This has a bit more crunch.
It is crunchy, Millions chewy.
I'm gonna get sick by the end of this.
Where are these from?
What do you mean? Manchester.
Manchester.
They're from a family-based company in Manchester. They originally, I think, started off with sneakers, but then they went into the sweetie thing in 2020 during the pandemic. Okay, so this is Mike and... So when I originally read this, right, so I went Mike Pew, and then I realised that it's and this way. But from there, that's a P and a U, and it could potentially be a fucking E. Can you see it? But obviously it's this way, which is and.
No, I would have read it the Pew way.
Yeah, Mike Pew.
I would have read that.
Yeah.
And turn it.
Because I wouldn't turn it that way to read.
Nah.
I would turn it that way to read, and that says Pew. Mike Pewick. Ike? Mike and Ike? Oh, Mike and Ike. That's a nice name. But I like Ike. That reminds me of South Park. It's the Canadian brother.
Oh, okay.
So these are Berry Blast. Chewy berry flavoured candy. Natural and artificially flavour. There's only 8 calories per packet in this. Gluten free and fat free, you know. Wild berry, blue raspberry, strawberry, blueberry, and a peach berry. Wouldn't that just be a peach? What the fuck is a peach berry? I don't know how much flavour. I don't know how I feel about these, so I don't know if I'm a fan. I don't have really a flavour of the difference between anything.
No.
No, that's my least favourite. Alright, now I'm getting kind of thirsty, so I'm going to open up my drink. This is what? I have never had these, but these are, I see them on the shop all the time. Did you ever used to have these lollies?
Yeah, I had the lollies, yeah.
I don't know how to pronounce it. Chopper? Chopper? Chipes? Chops? Chopper chops? Chopper chops?
Oh, look at me, I'm dyslexic.
Strawberry and cream flavour. Can you pass me my straw? Where's my strong hand? I left my straw downstairs. Because of my lipstick.
Pour it into your mouth.
It smells sweet.
Good soup.
That actually tastes just like the lolly. That's actually really nice. Why have I never had this before?
Nah.
Do you not like it?
Nah.
I like it.
Nah.
Nice. I've never seen these before. Ritz toasted chips. Sweet.
Sorry.
I have never seen these before. Ritz toasted chips, sour cream and onion. 40% less fat than regular fried potato chips. 230 calories per pack. That seems like a lot of calories for a packet of crisps. My little Pom Bears are like less than 100. What's it? Oh, less than 100.
Yeah, but mostly air.
Let me compare them to the Pringles. This is per can. Oh, to be fair, this is like over 100 more. I like these. Nice. They're nice. They're good.
Yeah, I rate them.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Yeah.
We need to find them.
Right.
No, I can't eat them all.
Why not?
We got more to eat. That was greediness. Ew, it is white.
It's so white.
Oh, give me a cup. I kind of want to pour it in. It's kind of weird. Ew, it's got bits in it.
I know. Ooh.
It looks like they've melted the lolly. I'm not even gonna see what I should call them. This feels like a, oh, it's a Laffy Taffy. Oh, shake that Laffy Taffy. What does that mean? A Laffy Taffy also means your butt. Girl, shake that Laffy Taffy. You're not gonna say shake the sweets, are you? It's stuck on me. It's the whole grape flavour I don't like. I need to learn with their flavouring. Grape, give up. Like you can taste that it's fake. And then cookies. Bite-sized cookies made with milk chocolate M&M minis. Enlarged to show texture. They're not really this size. Someone must have complained to be like, my cookie ain't this size. For them to have to say, this is not the actual size. Damn Karens. They're quite big though, actually. Ah, no. Take that cookie.
Yeah, I know.
It's
Not much you can do to a cookie.
It's a nice cookie. But it is very sweet. Everything's very sweet. I don't think they understand sweet control.
Yeah, no, UK's a lot more savoury.
Yeah, well, let's go for a Jolly Rancher sour gummies. But this one is a packaging in a packaging. Save the world. See a lot of blue again. They like the colour blue.
I like that.
It's not sour.
No.
Like Warheads are definitely a lot more sour. Like that makes you go. But this, it's nice.
It's like a step below a Haribo.
Chewy lemon head. Very awesome. Again, 80 calories per pack. They have like the texture of like a jelly bean.
Yeah, but somehow softer.
They are chewy. The word chewy is in the name. Swedish fish. No. The fat-free, I was going to say this is yours, but I realised you're not Swedish. You're Dutch. Am I getting red? Funny fish.
I hate you. With a passion.
Have a fish. Soft and chewy candy.
It's getting wrapped around my tongue bar.
There is no flavour.
Yeah, not a lot.
I don't have any flavour. I don't know what flavour that's meant to be. Guess what the first ingredient is?
What?
Sugar.
Oh.
The second, invert sugar.
What the fuck? What? Is that just salt?
Invert. We already know what this is though. I don't want to open it.
I do.
I know you do because you stuff your face with Pringles.
Awesome.
This is a Pringles, a barbecue flavour. Do you think they might be different from our barbecue flavour?
Apparently Americans know how to barbecue.
They do seem to, yeah, but that's because they can barbecue more than us because they're like hot longer, aren't they? Whereas us, we only get like 1 day to barbecue.
Yeah, that's true.
You want to taste the same? You would know more, you like live off them.
Now, you know what? That does taste different.
Does it?
Yeah.
And then finally, this is one of their bonbon mixes that you can get. Look how huge it is. Like, that is huge. They also do vegan range. So this was obviously a mystery box that was definitely a mystery. I didn't know what I was getting. But yeah, so these are like the other kind of mixes that you can get. They also have a store on Amazon as well. If you wanted to check that out, they also sell them on Amazon. I quite like a bonbon. I always make sure I have it in my pick and mix.
Yeah, it was the, what was it, the blue ones? Were they bubblegum? Yeah, they're chewy as hell.
Because some are quite hard, aren't they?
Yeah, I've bitten into a couple of bonbons before and they've crunched and it was like my whole body turned to static. I hated that.
Apple. Very chewy, but very nice. You get bear in here, bro. What may you get? There you go.
Oh.
So that is everything that I got from Iven Alger. Overall, I say I'm impressed. I mean, obviously, they didn't make this stuff. It's my judgment on the flavours of the American stuff. But overall, apart from one thing where you got the same, but it was miniature and a larger size, you got all these different shit. That's quite cool. And obviously, with the bonbon mix, huge. I'm impressed. Like I said, they do have the pay now, buy later. No, they have the buy now, pay later with Klarna and Lay-By. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment down below if there is any items here that you really love or any other American sweets that you'd recommend. Thank you very much in advance. And I shall see you next time. Bye!